In this video, I'll show you how to create a email in Gmail, and it's quite simple. Really, all you have to do is select Compose once you're logged into Google, and you're going to have a new message signed sent out. So the subject is what's going to appear in your email. So one example is this is the subject that I have, which is the 364311 is your verification code. So this is the subject. I'm going to say hello and thank you message. And the body is what you want to put as your message. So all you have to do is put whatever you want to say, like hello, good day, hope you're having a fun holidays. Thanks. And then that is your message. That's the message that they're going to see. Then you simply just add an email to who you're going to send it to. I'm going to say bobross@gmail.com as an example. And I see this bobross@gmail.com. There's also a CC option, which will include anyone else here. So if you want to put like Barack Obama at gmail.com, then you're going to include Barack Obama at gmail.com. And then there's also the BCC option, which means that Barack Obama and Bob Ross will see that the email was sent, but they won't see whoever is in the BCC option. So in this case, let's put Megan Fox at gmail.com. So really what this means is that Bob Ross and Barack Obama and Megan Fox will all receive this message, but Barack Obama and Bob Ross will know that each other have received the email, but anyone under BCC will be missing, so they won't know that the message is sent. And once you're done, all you have to do is hit send. But if you want to do a schedule send, so say if you want to send it maybe 3 days in the future or later in the day, you can go ahead and do that too. There's also some different options that you have here, so you can change the formatting. If you want to make it all bold, you can play around with that, italics, underlined. You can set the format to be in the center, and if you have any attachments that you want to add, you can set it here as well. So you can just choose whatever files you have, and then you should be good. It's that simple. And then you just hit send.